Okay, this is my second video for the adventures of steering wheel video with LiveGood. I got my steering wheel, and right now I'm up Big Cottonwood Canyon. I've got snow. If you can see the reflection, there's a lot of light in my eyes. Even though it's going on 5, I can't remember what time it is. It's either 4 or 5 in the afternoon, but right now when you got a lot of snow in front of you, it's still white and crazy. So anyway, Corey Draper here. I'm up in Big Cottonwood Canyon. Brighton and Solitude are just up the street. Brighton had over 950 inches of snow, which was, I think, the most in the United States. And I'm less than a couple miles away. I just pulled over to freshen up my drink real quick. I'm going to get out and just show you a little bit of where I'm at, because I kind of like these on the road series. I'm in my studio a lot, especially when I do LiveGood videos, but it's kind of fun just to do lifestyle steering wheel videos. Like, there's my steering wheel. I got a part with it. Camera. That's looking north, like way over that mountain there is, I guess you'd say, Salt Lake City. Right on the other side of these mountains is the valley of Salt Lake. And let me just show you right here. See, all this snow normally is melted right now, but we have so much snow. You know, there's still like 10 feet right here. There was over 30 feet up the street just like a couple weeks ago. But out of the blue, it just snowed and snowed and snowed for a month straight. But normally all the snow's melted by now, because tomorrow's 85 degrees and May 1st. So you can see right there, there's people fishing. There's a little girl, looks like she's about 10 or 15 maybe, fishing. But I love being on the road series. Yeah. You get tired of talking about the same things all the time, and obviously LiveGood is fun. It is a legit business. You can do a lot of really cool networking, meeting people on YouTube, or maybe people on your social media, Instagram or whatnot, but it's just fun to get out, talk about your life. This is one of my trucks here. It gets 8 miles to the gallon. I laugh because, man, I went through gas yesterday like crazy. I was at the gas station last night opening up my new LiveGood video hat. Or no, I was doing a LiveGood video and I got my new hats and I was excited. And then I just barely left another gas station to pick me up a drink. So I think I'm going to do a series of LiveGood at the gas station, LiveGood behind the steering wheel, and LiveGood on the road. So I got 3 series of talking about LiveGood a little bit and showing you some beauty at the same time. I like these type of meadows. Let me flip my camera. It's kind of dirty right here, you know, because little cars have spilt this, but it's still kind of fresh. Let me see if I can show you. But it's funny because it's 85 degrees right now. I'm literally in shorts, sandals, and it was hot as hell today. My face is definitely going to be red or tan tomorrow, but I'm literally only 10 minutes away from where I live, and I've still got 10 feet of snow right here. I mean, if you're a snow skier, you could still ski. Here it is, May 1st, but there's still 100. There's just tons of snow. So anyway, all right. Well, if you guys are living good, are you guys feeling good? Are you at the point where you don't know what to do anymore on a video, or what to send to somebody in social media, or are you stuck? Because it's so easy to get stuck. And that's common. Everybody knows that unless you have a mailing list or 10 or 20 years of experience, I guess, you know, doing an online presentation or an online biz, you're going to get stuck. There's a couple friends, there's a couple family members, even maybe a couple people at work. They join and it makes you feel good. But at the end of the day, most of your business is going to be from cold, either in the old days it was called cold calling. It's like where you pick up the phone and go, "Hi, do you need your carpets cleaned? Hi, would you like to look at a better opportunity for life insurance and insurance for your car?" There's just so much. Every day I get texts for Cialis and Viagra. And I don't know if they have like hidden cameras on me, but every day, I mean, do I need Cialis and Viagra like every day? I'm a single guy. Don't you have to go on a date in order to use Cialis and Viagra? But it makes me feel good. At least somebody cares about me, about my Cialis and my Viagra needs. But in the meantime, it's pretty funny when you run out of friends and family and whatnot. You don't want to text somebody unsolicited. That's a big word, solicited. You don't want to email people that don't really know you, and you kind of nonchalantly, talk about something and then blab about LiveGood or your business. It never works. Maybe it accidentally does now and then, but there's nothing more not satisfying than going after the cold calls, the cold emails. But most of your downline and most of your success is going to be from cold calling, cold emailing, cold texting, randomly talking, and someone overhears you and says, hey, I'm interested. What's your capture page to LiveGood? It is awkward and it's crazy. What I recommend, I still recommend this. And I have other businesses where I need people to listen to my radio station. I own Pure Rock Radio. There's a shameless plug for my baby since 2006. But I regularly need people to listen to Pure Rock Radio. I'm just barely getting started with LiveGood. I've had a truck driving series on YouTube that's quite successful on how to drive semi-trucks. And I'm not really from a semi-truck background, but I got really good at driving semi-trucks and how to shift 18 speeds, 13 speeds, how to be on time, how to make 100 and something thousand a year. So I had Google, that owns YouTube. They called me up and they said, you know what? We want you to come up with content every month on how to train and how to do certain things. And then I'd negotiate a price and they would send me one of those Visa cards with cash on it. And it was so funny. In the mail, I'd get this Visa and I'd go to Walmart, for example, and it'd be $1,000 on there. And I just groceries, gas. Then it'd be empty. And then the guy, his name was Sebastian. I go, hey, my card's empty. What content do you want? What can I do for you? That type of income is amazing because I could just get a hold of you. I forgot the company that owns YouTube and Google. Is it Meta or Alphabet, or I can't remember. I get it mixed up between Microsoft and Facebook. But anyway, it's nice if you do have warm market leads, and that means maybe you've sold, like a warm market would be your Uncle Bob. Hey, Uncle Bob, look at this. And then, yeah, it's a kind of a cool product, kid. I'd like to buy some protein powder. And then you go to your Aunt Barbara, and she's a warm lead too. And there's plenty of other warm and fuzzy people out there that might look at LiveGood and they don't get mad, because that's your goal, is not to piss off or offend people when you give them information about LiveGood. And that's why less is more. The great Tim Miller, who is our number one person in LiveGood at the moment, he's almost at Crown Diamond. Diamond is amazing. Crown Diamond, they just made up for Tim. He's good friends with the CEO, and he got with Ben and just said, you know what? There's people that are going to go surpass Diamond. So I'm assuming Ben and Nodder, our marketing director, they came up with Crown Diamond. If you knew how many people it takes to get to Diamond, it's mind-blowing. We have people, the 3 people that I study the most already have 10 to 20,000 people in their downline. This company's only 3 months old. It just turned 4 months. Yes, tomorrow is May 1st. So how crazy is it that they're finding success for people that want to join? And I know most of the leaders, they might have an email list, but it's probably for other opportunities. It could be for home loans, business loans. They could have been selling Viagra to people. But at the end of the day, even your massive list runs out. You can only email people a little bit, and they're just like, no, I'm not into LiveGood. So I believe even the massive leaders, sure, they had an email list, but that runs out. After the first month, you can't blast out a whole bunch of messages about, please join LiveGood. Please look into it. Please, if you don't join, I'm going to come and find you and toilet paper your house. If there's only so much desperate emails you can do. And leaders watching this, they understand. You don't want to beat a dead horse. Is that it? You can lead a horse to water, but you can't make him pee in it. Is that what it is? Something like that. But I know that it's very easy to go, God, I don't have a list. I haven't been doing things. I have no advantage. I mean, they have such an advantage over guys like me or girls like me. The way that the matrix is designed, somebody with no experience whatsoever can make a kick-ass income. That's the beauty of LiveGood. That's why I do it. That's why I'm up here in the gorgeous mountains with Brighton Ski Resort. I got people here from, I think from India. I can tell by their accents. They're taking pictures. And if I was like a nicer person, I'd get out and offer to take pictures where they're all together. But instead, I'm sitting here doing a steering wheel. I'm doing another steering wheel video. Why, I could have been more polite and helped these people out. And you know what? India's kicking our ass. So I should have got out and said, God, maybe I should get them on the video and go, do you guys have any people that really enjoy health products and want to make money in India? And they'll go, yeah, I got about 1 or 2 million relatives that would like to. I don't know, maybe in my next video, I'll put the family on and spiel and do a little bit of promoting. That would be kind of funny. That'd be kind of cool. I think I'm going to do that because I'm not shy. There's one thing that I'd never been is shy. So, all right. I know I'm all over the place. I just wanted to show you a little bit of Big Cottonwood Canyon. And, do you think you can do this opportunity without leads, without any experience? I know you can. And that is exactly why every day I like to make anywhere from 4 to 5 videos. Some are just, they don't have any meaning at all. Some of them I try to help out with some good advice. I just want you guys to know who I am. I have to reinvent myself to live good, folks, because I've done so much other stuff the last 40 years, especially on YouTube. It's kind of funny when I wear my Live Good hats. Right now I'm a car show promoter. I do over 200 a summer. 200, not 100. That's how many car shows we have in Salt Lake City, Ogden, Provo, Wendover, and whatnot. But I got to put my Live Good hat on when I get back to the studio. So I gotta reinvent myself too. No one watches my YouTube channel expecting me to talk about protein and kicking ass for $10 a month. So I'm in the same category as all you guys. We just start from scratch, try to be interesting or humorous or funny or likable, and hopefully people will have $10 a month, because that's all you need for membership, and $40 one-time fee. So does someone have a $50 bill out there? That's how I look at it. So, all right, well, I'm gonna head down. I'm actually hungry for real food. I have snack stuff I bought at 7-Eleven or Holiday Gas, which is the same as 7-Eleven. So I think I want to have something a little more meaningful on this fine Sunday night in the snow. Here, I'll flip my camera. All right, there's my steering wheel. Here, let me zoom out. All right, this is my second video. Steering wheel adventures with Live Good. And I just opened my drink and tipped it upside down. I got fresh ice and a bunch, and I like these drinks. They're energy drinks, but they're sugar-free and calorie-free. And I know they're bad for you, but you know what? I just sip on them. I don't drink them all day. All right, well, steering wheel, thank you. I even got my horn working. And hopefully you guys enjoyed, it's almost summer now, but look at how much snow. My God, there's 10 feet out there easily still. So, all right. Well, you guys have a really nice night if you're watching this live. And I'm sure I'll see you a couple more videos, okay? All right, take care and go to joincorey.com. The link is right below this old video. All right, take care. We'll see you soon.